Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be discussing about what I just purchased. It's called the MacBook Pro. Obviously everybody knows what this is, and this is my first time ever purchasing an Apple laptop. I've always used a regular PC, but I decided to make the big jump, and since the Apple stock is growing and it's going to be splitting soon, so I decided, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and support Apple and start buying one of their laptops. And I went and bought the MacBook Pro. And it's a 2020 version. It's a 13-inch. And I'll read you guys what the specs are here. It's a 1.4 gigahertz quad-core Intel Core i5 with 128 megabytes ED and turbo boost up to 3.9 gigahertz. It has 8 gigabytes of 2133 megahertz LPDDR3 memory. I don't know what that means. It has 512 gigabytes of SSD card, which is the amount of memory it holds. I didn't want to go with the 256 gigabytes. I wanted to store more things on my laptop, so that's why I went with the higher memory card. So I went with the 512 gigs. And it has an Intel Iris Plus graphics 645, 2 Thunderbolt 3 USB ports, support for high-speed I/O and video out. So without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and open it up so you guys can see what's inside of here. And you can see there's a little tab. You don't need a knife or anything. You can just move it like this. Wow. Feels so good. Okay, here we go. There's the box, and it's space gray. Wow, it's amazing how they wrap this thing up. It's really, really nice. And it's almost so light. It's almost like a MacBook Air. I've seen those, and those are very light as well. Ooh, look at that screen. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like here. I heard that they changed the keyboard on this, so the keyboard is a little bit more, I guess, professionally made versus the other keyboard, which is a butterfly keyboard. I don't know what you really call that, but so here we go. I'm gonna set it up with you guys so you guys can see what you need to do here. I'm gonna click English.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, I clicked English and it's not doing anything. Oh, you have to click the button. I guess you can't click on it like that as with another laptop. Okay, Afghanistan. Nope, not Afghanistan. The good old United States. I do United States, continue. It's trying to see if I can find my Wi-Fi. But while it's doing that, I just want to show you what else is in the box over here. It has the wire to charge it. It has this right here. They really taped it up good. There you go. And then designed by Apple in California, which is where I'm at. So these are the little booklets that come with it. Oh, there's nothing else in there. You get your little stickers. You get the MacBook Pro booklet here. It has a Force Touch trackpad, touch bar, screen, touch ID, power button right there. It has a headphone jack, Thunderbolt 3, so it has Thunderbolt 3, it has two of them there, and then it has some other headphone jack over here. But look how thin this is. It's like thinner than my pinky. It's really, really nice. I'm really excited about this to see how it's going to work. I'm going to go ahead and link in my network. Wow, the keyboard is really, really cool. It really touches, like even if you just touch the button, it just makes it go in very quickly. It's not like the regular laptop keyboards that I'm used to with Asus or HP or even Dell. Their keyboards are a little bit different. It's hard to explain it unless you actually touch the keyboard itself and you try it out on your own. Data and privacy comes next. This icon appears when an Apple feature asks to use your personal information. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue this. Transfer information to this Mac. If you have important information on another Mac or Windows PC, you can transfer it to this Mac. You can also transfer data from a Time Machine backup or another startup disk. So how do you want to transfer your information? Because that's what I need to do. I have a Windows PC. Connect AC power. Your Mac is running on battery power. It is strongly recommended that you connect your Mac to AC power before migrating. So now that information is gone, I'm going to click continue. And it might ask me to somehow connect my laptop to this just so that it can get the information, but we will find out soon. And guys, another reason why I chose the 512 gigabytes versus just the 256 gigabytes is because I heard that if you buy an Apple computer, you can't later on change the gigabytes or the memory or the speed or anything like that. So once you buy it, it's yours for good. So you can never change that anymore. So that's why I decided to go with the higher gigabyte level, because I know that I'm going to be storing a lot of like videos and pictures and things like that, like, you know, things that use up a lot of space in your memory card. So that's why I decided to get a larger hard drive so that I can store all these things in my computer versus getting a smaller hard drive and have a hard time later on updating it, because then I would have to get an external hard drive, which I didn't want to do. I would rather spend the extra money now. You pay more, but you get more for it as well. Okay, it looks like I'm not going to be able to connect this. I'm going to go back. Don't transfer right now. Here's the new MacBook Pro. This is what it looks like after everything is downloaded and set up. So look how clean and crisp the picture is. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks very, very clean and very crisp. And I just can't wait until I get into it and see what else it can do. But if you guys have anything you want me to talk about or show you guys later on in another video, let me know. Just leave a comment in the comment section and I will try to do another video on it. So guys, yeah, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like it, subscribe to my channel, and just let me know if you guys want me to do anything else. Okay, I'll see you guys later.